This Toyota, this quite a dark windscreen, but look at the angle of it. That's almost sports. Quite dark screens, you can actually see through there. These lights are a bit big and chunky. They get damaged. But maybe that also helps protect them, keep them working. Don't know. They're a bit chunky. But I do like the angle on this. Let's have a look from this side. Yeah, look at that. You know, this is a normal angle of people's cars. This one here, angle straight. This one, look at that. This handle at the top here for the back door. Just lift that up there. You've got your 12 volt there underneath. If you've got something plugged in, you want to have your wire coming out. It doesn't seem to be one, so you have to like leave it inside. But you can have your phone in here, can't you? Put your phone in a cup holder. There's another one here. So you can put your phone in there. And you've got a little, nice little bit down there. Network. And USB and headphones, audio. Well, that's probably an input, audio input. Clips down. Steering wheel, you got your phone, an audio, speaking, trip meter, and then your cruise controls. You've got the sensor here. Oh, that's now it's silent, electric, hybrid. Yeah, engine's kicked in.
Run your own race. Introducing an all-new crossover, Toyota CHR. Toyota, let's go places.